Are you tired of posting randomly and hoping something takes off? Are you struggling to stay consistent or wondering why your social media isn't converting to sales? If you're nodding yes right now, you don't need more content. You need a strategy, a real one. Today, I will walk you through step by step on how to create your own social media strategy for you that actually helps you save time, connect with your audience, and grow your business online. Hey there, I'm Alexandra, your social media sidekick, and on this channel, I help you promote your small business online without the overwhelm. In a previous video, I shared 5 social media marketing tips with you, and the first tip was to create a strategy. So this video expands on that. If you haven't watched the previous video, I'm gonna link it up here and also in the description down below. So let's dive in. So first of all, what is a social media strategy? Think of your strategy like a GPS. Without it, you're just posting random stuff and hoping for the best. A good strategy helps you know what to post, where to post, why are you posting, who you're posting it for, and how to measure what's working. It brings clarity and consistency, and most importantly, it saves you time because you're not reinventing the wheel every time. Not having a clear strategy for your social media is like showing up to a marathon in flip-flops and without a training plan. So the first step to creating your social media strategy is to define your business goals. Let's talk about goals. What are you trying to achieve with your social media? The more common goals are increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website or your shop, generate leads or bookings, build a community, educate an audience, and showcase your product or your services. As a start, pick 1 to 2 primary goals. If you try to do everything at once, you will end up doing nothing effectively. As an example, if you're a candle brand, your goals could be build awareness and drive traffic to my Etsy store. Or another example, collect emails for a newsletter. Now on to step number 2, identify your target audience. Now that you know what you want to achieve, let's talk about who you want to reach. It's tempting to say everyone, but marketing to everyone means connecting with no one. So really ask yourself, who is my ideal customer? The age, lifestyle, pain points, what problems do they have, what interests, habits and routines, and also what platforms are they using? And be really specific. Saying women aged from 25 to 40 is a start, but dig deeper. So for example, let's stick with the candle business. Your target audience could be busy moms who enjoy self-care and want their homes to feel cozy. Knowing all this will shape your content tone, the topics, and also the platforms you're choosing. Here's a quick exercise for you. Describe your ideal customer. If they saw your content right now, would they feel seen? Now on to the next step, step number 3, choose your platforms. Spoiler alert, you don't have to be on every platform, because posting on every social media platform out there is a fast track to burnout. In fact, one of the biggest tips is don't be everywhere, be where your audience is. It's the only thing that matters. So if you're trying to reach Gen Z, you have to be on TikTok or Instagram and not Facebook. Instagram and Pinterest, for example, works great for mom and lifestyle content. You will find B2B and coaches on LinkedIn or even YouTube. Pinterest is great for blogs, how-to and product visuals, and YouTube is perfect for evergreen content. So start with 1 to 2 platforms, really master them and start expanding later. But you can also repurpose your content for different platforms. Let me know if you want to have a specific repurposing video. Moving on to step number 4, define your content pillars. This is where the magic happens. This step is going to save you hours of time. So content pillars are 3 to 5 specific topics you consistently post about on your social media. They help you stay focused, save time, and connect with your ideal audience. They make sure your content always aligns with your brand and your goals. If you're not really sure what content pillars are, I have a full video explaining what they are and how you can create ones for yourself, so I'm gonna link it up here and also in the description. So let's do a quick example for a handmade skincare brand. Your content pillars could be education, so skincare tips, product spotlights, behind the scenes, so how you make the skincare, community, posting about customer testimonials, and the personal journey, so a founder story or posting a day in their life. So now when it's time to plan your content, you just rotate through these pillars. No more staring at a blank content calendar. So the next step number 5, is do a competitor analysis. What are others doing in your space? So look at 3 to 5 competitors or similar brands within your niche. What is working for them? And this is not about copying, it's about learning. A quick checklist on what you should analyze. What type of content gets engagement? What platforms are they using and how often are they posting? How do they position their products? What about their bio, their call to action, their link strategy? You might find a gap when doing your research. So for example, no one is posting about Reels or no one is posting a customer testimonial. Boom, there's your chance to stand out. Step number 6 is audit your current social media. So now that you've researched your competitors, take a look at your own platforms. What is already working? Really ask yourself, which posts performed well, which flopped? What content types, so Reels, stories, carousel posts get the most engagement? Are you consistent with your branding or messaging? Is your bio clear and do you have a strong link? And are you using clear call to actions? Even if you're just starting out, this helps to set a baseline to grow from. And for this part, be sure to use the platform-specific analytics to get real data. So step number 7 is to create a content plan. So now let's take everything you've learned and put it into action. Start by deciding how many times per week you will post, what types of content you will create, so Reels, carousel posts, stories, and what topics fit into each content pillar. Quick tip I already mentioned before, you can also repurpose your content, either for different platforms or different content types. So you can turn a reel into a carousel post or the other way around. Another huge time saver I mentioned in a previous video. So let's do a quick example week where you choose to post 3 times. Monday, content pillar 1 is education, so you post an educational carousel. Wednesday is content pillar number 2, so behind the scenes, and you, for example, post a reel of a day in the life. And Friday is your content pillar number 3, product promotion. And make sure to use scheduling tools to make your life easier. So for example, you can use Meta Business Suite for scheduling Instagram and Facebook posts. It's completely free, you just need to use your normal Facebook account to log in. But there's also special scheduling tools like Later, Buffer, or Planoly. And be sure to track your content ideas in a tool like Notion, Google Sheets, or just a Notes app in your phone. And the last step number 8, is measure and adjust. No strategy is perfect right out of the gate, but you can't improve what you don't measure. So once a month, review your analytics. Look at which posts had the most engagement. What's driving link clicks or saves? Are you gaining followers? And if so, are they really your people, the right audience you want? Also, don't forget to look at the website traffic you get from your socials. But don't get stuck chasing vanity metrics. Focus on progress towards your goals and tweak your plan accordingly. And remember, social media isn't always about going viral, it's about strategic consistency. If you followed along, you now have a blueprint for building your own social media strategy. One that helps you show up with intention, connect to the right audience, and saves you time. But if creating your own social media strategy still feels overwhelming, remember you can get a customized strategy done for you and you implement it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly social media marketing tips, and be sure to check out this video that is specifically chosen for your interest. See you in the next one. Bye!